NIIT University, food is more than just a meal. It's a feeling of home, health, and happiness. Every day, we're served fresh, balanced meals, designed by a dedicated meal planner to keep us healthy and energized. Whether it's a warm dal rice combo or our favorite paneer day, there's always something that feels just like home. And yes, eating healthy here is easy. We've got salads, fruits, and even tasty low-oil dishes that don't compromise on flavor. It's not just food, it's comfort, it's care. And when you're this far from home, that matters a lot. At NIIT University, we don't just eat. We nourish, we enjoy, we live healthy. One meal at a time.